Ka snaps im college mokurwat Southwest Kasils District haka arterik unailur arjar arpulai hak jing ipu iping kala yo ban punkut ya ka youth festival ka bar sngi haka ba uba Renik lengdo tongkhar emily ka mokurwat ulalong kum kongsan ya ka ni ka youth festival ba sngi lapenlong da ka snaps im college harangkat ke jinge trailang mat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society shillong halor kapang kemen kadba pidang im de lakam penduk ya ke HIV AIDS. Hagani ke festival lawan bani simentaru da ki samla pule jo ke Nongstoin College, West Kasils District, ke Saint Xavier College Oj, bat ke Snaps Im College mau kurban. Ba Renik habakren hagani ke sngi ulai ke jingero ya ke ni ke college kabala pentrekam ya ke National Education Policy kani kalong ke jingmentoy ya ki samla pule ha ke ni ke thany. Baru ula kyntu ya ki samla pule Pakimday ban pynlehnohei ya kaei kaba kiyo jinghikai hakini ki arsngi langba ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Gratitude to all the teachers. I could see that though they'll have to participate in many other activities, but they try to make their time free so that they'll be in a position to be with all the students throughout this program. So the college, this is not the first time that we organize such kind of events. In the previous years, we have conducted the inter-district college youth festivals, and these type of programs we have conducted, and we do hope that in the near future, many programs will be organized for the benefits of our dear students. Because we want that the students of this area, especially those who are coming from the rural institutions, they should not have any fear in their life. They should come forward. They should build themselves. They should try to compare themselves with other students in the states of Meghalaya. We know that this is the time that every one of us, we will have to compare ourselves with the rest in order to put our life in a better position. So, once again, we welcome you all, our dearest students, and today we are very happy to see that there are some students from the higher secondary school within Maukrowat who have come to participate in the quiz competition. I know some of them has become winners, and for those who have not, take this as a step that from now on you should prepare very well and you should come up with flying colors in the coming days.
Look forward to see that this college will go from strength to strength, from victory to victory, and from the management we will leave no stone unturned for the cause of the improvement of this college. I'm very happy to see the activeness of the management presently, and on the activeness of the management, which includes the principal and all teaching staff and non-teaching staff. This college has been able to draw the attention of the high and top officials of the government of Meghalaya. This college has been able to draw the attention of the government of Meghalaya. And I'm proud to see that this college presently has been able to draw the attention of each one of us, people residing in this lovely district of Southwest Kasils. My dear friends, young students of 3 colleges, as you gathered here today, since yesterday, I want to extend my greeting to all Mountain College, Saint Xavier College, and Nongstoin College. You have been here since yesterday, and I know you have gained a lot of benefits. In knowing each other, getting new friends, as you said, and also exchanging ideas, good ideas that you have, which is different from one place to another, which is different from one college to another. You have enjoyed here for the last 2 days. And I hope when you go out from here, you will not go empty, but you will go along with all those benefits that you have learned from here. In this youth festival, we are here with us also along with the Mekhria Aid Control Society, and the very purpose of this, the mission of Mekhria Aid Control Society, as the name suggested, it means to eradicate AIDS from the state of Meghalaya. And we are happy that the staff from Mekhria AIDS and Control Society are here with us. And let us be part of the success of this college. As all other colleges in the state of Meghalaya are still debating whether we will go ahead to implement NEP. I'm proud to tell you, I'm proud that a college from rural areas, college from Southwest Khasi Hills, this very Snapskin college has started implementing NEP from 1st of August. Let us give a big hand for this college, for this college of this college. And I wish Snapskin College all the best in its endeavor. And we know that we will see more success in this college. We are trying to shift to the permanent campus. A dream project will come up in the permanent campus there in Mountain, big land we have. I know everybody when you comes here, you will see it's so congested. It's very difficult to manage such kind of functions. But when we shift from here to the permanent campus, for which we all are involving to bring this dream into reality, to shift this college to the permanent campus, you will see how beautiful is this college. And I am very, very happy to know, and it's I hope, I believe that the students of Snapskin College will be proud one day that they are the product of this college. I'm very hopeful to see the activeness of the management presently of this college under the active leadership of our principal and all the staff of this college. We can see the success story. It's happening day by day in this college. I am just joking to principal that I feel like every time, every month we have different kind of function in this college where we celebrate one celebration after another. The reason is that this college is so active and we get so many celebrations.